Hello, Adam here with Canadian Hobbies and KXRD, Kirkwood Experimental Racing Development. Uh, Here I am to show you the Losi 22S drag car and the various configurations of conversions I've created for the car. There really is three in total. There is a full-fledged conversion. There is also for the stock chassis a mid-motor conversion and a rear motor conversion that raises the transmission and drivetrain up to lower the chassis, and it allows for droop screw adjustments and floating bottom mount, as well as the option to add the additional wheelie bar either as aluminum or carbon fiber. So getting started, we're gonna start with a new Losi 22 roller, and we're gonna tear down the car as far as we need to go for doing the mid motor and rear motor conversion on the stock chassis, which will then later on be followed up by continuing on tearing it down for doing the full conversion. So I guess it comes with extra guards, which was new to me. That the normal chassis RTR does not come with extra guards. Why that is, I don't know. Because that's going to be one of the first things that will be going. It has a 22 spline. Does it include other ones? That was one thing I was curious about. They included other splines for that. Oh, cool. We got a good sticker sheet. So it does not appear that we get additional splines for other servos, which is kind of annoying because, unfortunately, not many people use Spectrum receivers, or not receivers, but servos. We don't actually need to take the tires off. This just kind of makes things a little easier. Alright. That's actually on. They're pretty tight. That's a first. So any screws that we were taking off, we are going to save them. We're going to keep the body posts, but we're going to get rid of this A kind of looking frame, the arrow piece that holds the body posts. You are lame. We don't really actually have to take the shocks off, but when it comes to doing the mid-motor setup, you're going to kind of want to, at least on the bottom end. And plus, if you want to move your screws over for your shocks, it's easier to do it now while it's all kind of disassembled. Try not to lose these little plastic inserts that go in your top of your shocks. And that should be about as far as we need to go for the disassembly. So for the next video, we are going to show how to assemble the rear motor conversion. So thanks for checking out this short video, and we're going to jump into the next.